In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a Trello board. This process is straightforward yet essential if you want to ensure the right person has the necessary administrative controls over your collaborative project. Whether you're moving on to a new project or simply stepping back from a leadership role, these steps will guide you through a seamless transition. To get started, open your Trello board in a web browser. Once you're on the board page, look toward the upper right corner where you'll see a button labeled Share. This button is your gateway to managing the board's membership and roles. Clicking on it will activate a list showing all current members of your Trello board along with their assigned roles. Now, carefully scan through this list of members to find the person you want to transfer ownership to. Next to their name, you'll notice a drop-down menu which allows you to set or change each member's role on the board. By default, this menu can assign roles such as a normal member, admin, or observer, depending on their current permissions. For the new owner of the board, click on the drop-down next to their name and select the admin role. Setting this role ensures that they gain full administrative control over the board. Once you've assigned the new owner as an admin, you'll need to decide what your role will be. There are a few different options you can choose from. If you wish to remain part of the board, but at a reduced level of involvement, you can set your own role to member. This allows you to contribute without having administrative authority. Alternatively, if you prefer to remain on the board merely to view activity without interaction, choose the observer role. Lastly, if you want to completely transfer ownership and disconnect from this board, you have the option to leave the board entirely, which finalizes the full transfer of ownership to the new admin. And just like that, you've successfully transferred ownership of your Trello board. This simple yet crucial procedure empowers you to manage projects efficiently and ensure the right people are at the helm. Remember, changes in roles are instantaneous, so make sure to communicate with your team about these updates to avoid any confusion. Thank you for tuning in today, and I'm glad to have guided you through this process. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher.